फ्रॉम द काला चश्मा, उसका भी लुक सेम है. ज्वेलरी विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू, इट्स लाइक फॉर एडल्ट्स. दिस पाउडर डजंट स्मेल लाइक एनीथिंग, सो सिंपल. एंड वन प्रोडक्ट मार्स का. वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल. इन टुडेस वीडियो आपको वैसे दिख रहा होगा मेरा अटायर थोड़ा डिफरेंट है आज, क्योंकि आज मैं रिक्रिएट करने वाली हूँ आलिया भट्ट का मेकअप लुक फ्रॉम द सॉन्ग तुम क्या मिले. शी इज़ लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग इन दैट मूवी, इन दैट सॉन्ग स्पेशली, एंड आई वांटेड टू रिक्रिएट इट फॉर यू गाइज, बिकॉज मैंने सोचा मैं सिर्फ एक ब्रांड यूज़ करके, वो भी अफोर्डेबल, आपको सेम लुक करके दिखा सकती हूँ. एंड दैट इज़ द चैलेंज ऑफ टुडेज़ वीडियो. टेल यू, मैंने ऐसा लुक बॉलीवुड का बहुत बार रिक्रिएट किया है. ट्रीना कैफ फ्रॉम द काला चश्मा, उसका भी लुक सेम है, एकदम स्मोकी है. और मैंने कियारा अडवाणी का भी लुक किया है सेम. एंड एक दो सेलिब्रिटीज़ का और रिक्रिएट किया होगा. और मोस्टली बॉलीवुड में सेम ही टाइप के लुक करते हैं सब, यू नो, द स्मोकी आई या फिर वेरी वेरी मिनिमल आईज विद लिप्स एंड ड्यूई बेस. मैं वो सेम लुक कर करके बोर हो गई थी, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट मी डू वन ब्रांड ट्यूटोरियल फॉर यू गाइस. आई एम गोना बी डूइंग इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स, मार्स एंड स्विस ब्यूटी, आई रियली लाइक दीज ब्रांड्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू अफोर्डेबल मेकअप. बट इन तीनों में से अगर देखा जाए तो सबसे अच्छा मुझे ब्रांड अभी तक स्विस ब्यूटी लगता है. सो लेट्स गिव इट इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स अ फेयर शॉट एज वेल, एंड लेट्स बिगिन विद दिस लुक. आलिया भट्ट का मेकअप जो है ना, बहुत ही ड्यूई बेस. इज ऑल्सो वेयरिंग ऑक्सीडाइज silver.
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
So I have the earrings right here. I didn't have the same earrings, but जो मेरे पास थे मैंने वही रख लिया. The primer, I have this one from Inside. This is 3-in-1 poreless primer, long lasting primer. It says it's oil free. Now I'm gonna give you guys a review side by side of the products. I have oily skin and this primer is really nice, but when compared to other primers, I'm not that happy with this product because इससे ना ज़्यादा pores minimize नहीं होती हैं और आपका जो base है वो थोड़ा slippery हो जाता है. ये मेरी skin को matte भी नहीं कर रहा अच्छी तरह से, like my skin looks and feels the same. So I'm not a big fan of this primer. So I'm gonna take this nut off and I'll wear this at the end of the video ताकि मैं मेकअप अच्छे से कर पाऊँ. Honestly, it's like just a barrier, a layer between the foundation. Alright, now I have the ultra thin second skin long wear foundation. Now I've tried it, I've used it. This is definitely not long wear, but I absolutely love the finish. This is in the shade 04 warm nude और इसका dropper भी काम नहीं करता है unfortunately, but the foundation's finish, इसका finish बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि बहुत ड्यूई है और जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ का होता है मेकअप, वेरी ड्यूई एंड वेरी नेचुरल. सो इट गिव्स दैट नेचुरल फिनिश, बट ज़्यादा कुछ कवरेज नहीं देता है खास. I could review it to you guys, and if you can buy it on a budget, because I can understand I was also at one time on a budget for makeup product. I used to buy like one product in 1 month so that I can create videos. I remember it very clearly, but now that I have the products, I'm not like मैं cheap makeup नहीं use करूँगी बिल्कुल भी. In fact, I've ordered a lot of cheap makeup from Meesho because you guys requested a lot. Even the inside cosmetic video, today's video, you guys have recommended so many times. So I was like, let me create one with whatever product I have. This was like an impulsive video shoot because it's 3 AM in the night. So you can see the foundation, इसकी coverage बहुत कम है, like it just doesn't cover your marks and acne or whatever, but it gives a very even tone finish and very very dewy finish it gives. I have this HD Conceal Correct palette from Inside Cosmetics. I'm just going to use my beauty blender and I'm going to use this shade. The good thing is ये थोड़ा affordable range है. I'm not sure about the price, but I think it's less than 300 or 400 rupees, but it's not that bad. और ये थोड़ा oily भी लगता है skin पे. So if you have dry skin, Inside Cosmetic products you're gonna love, but oily skin पे you have to set your face really well. I'm also gonna set my eyelids using this same. Who is excited for Rocky and Rani release? I to be honest think कि थोड़ा कभी खुशी कभी गम जैसा थोड़ा सा vibe लगा मुझे. What do you guys think? So this is the difference between the concealer part and without concealer. Definitely थोड़ा brightened लग रहा है. It is a really good one. मतलब मैंने नायका की भी conceal and correct palette use किया है और भी एक brand की है. This one is very much comparable to those brands. Adding the concealer wherever I need more coverage because concealer की थोड़ी सी coverage ज़्यादा है as compared to the foundation. So my base doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna contour using this shade right here. I love contouring my face nowadays, so I really enjoy this contour. I use it like even on a regular basis also because I really like the color bronzer slash contour situation, and you can see it blends out so seamlessly into the skin because Alia Bhatt hasn't contoured her face a lot in the video, so I will be keeping it to this only. If you want, you can build this contour up, but it looks so seamless when it gets blended and it's just so pretty. I really like to do sharp contouring for my nose, but today I will be like, that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna blend this now. You see, this base is not looking bad at all using these affordable products. You know what difference I have seen अभी तक high-end products use करके और affordable use करके? It's that high-end वाले ज़्यादा long lasting रहते हैं, like it stays up sometimes the whole night whenever you go out for an event or something, but drugstore makeup doesn't stay for a long period of time. I have noticed that, but if you set your face really nicely and with a good powder, I think it can stay. I have this makeup Inside Makeup Essentials blusher. It is like one of my favorite cream blushers ever. It's so pretty, so gorgeous, you'll just see. And Alia Bhatt loves to blush her cheeks, so I'm gonna do that as well. Instagram has launched this new app called Threads. What are your thoughts on it? मेरे लिए तो बहुत like difficult लगा मुझे क्योंकि I am not used to Twitter at all. I don't use Twitter. I don't like Twitter. Instagram, I'm trying it out. What are your thoughts? And follow me on Threads if you like that vibe. Go follow me. अभी मैं उसी same range का use कर रही हूँ highlighter. Really like this one. It's super blinding if you want to build it up. And it's like a pink tone highlighter. Alia Bhatt skin looks dewy and it's winter wherever they are shooting. I think they are shooting in Kashmir, the song. So her skin looks really juicy. So I'm just gonna add wherever I have high points on my face. The base looks really good. I am quite impressed with the brand. Like the base looks really good, but it's creasing a lot. Like my under eyes are creasing like a lot than usual. That's not a good sign. Powder, I have two shades. This one is in the shade 12 ivory and this one is in the shade 13 honey. तो दोनों shades एक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा light है, एक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा dark और yellow tone है. तो I'm gonna mix both of them. Mix करने में it was such a mess. I've created a lot of mess on my table. I'm quickly going to set my face and these creases are not going away for some reason. So I'm quickly gonna just set my face using this concoction and we'll see what we can do next. I'm also gonna set my eyelids. This powder doesn't smell like anything, so I really like that. I'm gonna take the rest of it and just set. So Alia Bhatt for sure didn't use this much of powder, but let me tell you guys, सर्दियों के region में और गर्मियों के region में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क होता है and my skin is very much oily. So that's why I have to bake my face, otherwise it just does not go well, the base. The only difference is if you want more dewy look, I just bake and I quickly just dust it off, otherwise it's like very dry. Quickly dust it off and you're good to go. And if you want the dew back, just use the makeup fixer I'm using today is by Inside. This is their makeup fixer. I really don't like this one because it's the fragrance hai, and I am actually pretty impressed with the mist. The spray is very fragrant. It's like बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance, like you're spraying perfume on your face, and that's not a good sight. Now since my glow has gone because of setting my face, but I really like the base overall, just the under eyes is what I'm not liking with the highlighter that I just used. But I want to make it look very natural, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that. I have to recommend two products from Inside Cosmetics. I'll highly recommend you guys this blush. It's very pigmented, so use very little, and this highlighter is also genius. It's great. For the eyebrows, I have the Inside Smudge Free Eyebrow Pencil. The packaging looks really good. and the pencil looks something like this, and it swatches like a black color eyebrow pencil. Why is it black in color? I like to use brown. But today let's use this since we have this. So it's very pigmented, the pencil. जब मैंने swatch किया था ना, मुझे तभी पता चल गया था. But the good thing is affordable pencils में usually spoolie you don't get, but we have spoolie here. And another thing is pencil की shape है बहुत thick है, and you can just overdo your eyebrows in a click. I like my pencils to be medium pigmented, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. And another thing is ये black color की है, which is like the worst part. I can literally use as my eyeliner. Oh my god, I do not like this pencil at all. It just created, oh, my eyebrows look like ching chang eyebrows, ching chang eyebrows. I don't like the eyebrow pencil. I have to now carve my eyebrows. Oh my god, I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrows. Hopefully it will help. Just, you know what, the pencil is not that bad, but the color is really bad. Don't ever go for this shade. Watch it online, or if you're buying it from the store, I don't know. बहुत black है, बहुत dark है. I'll either make it worse, or this is the best situation. You know, I used this product Slick Up in one of my YouTube shorts, and I absolutely am loving it. It's best for the hair to like tame down your frizz and all of that. I'm actually going to on my eyebrows because it's gonna like, and इसमें जो product है ना वो एकदम transparent आता है, so कुछ भी ऐसे pigment smudge का tension भी नहीं है. I really like this product. जब से मैंने इसको use किया ना, it gives a little shine to your eyebrows as well as your hair. Really cool. My eyebrows don't look good, but Alia Bhatt के eyebrows भी बहुत thick हैं, so we're gonna make this work. For the eye look, it's again the smoky eyes, the usual smoky eyes. I'm gonna take the contour palette one more time, and I'm just gonna add this contour shade that we just used for our cheeks on our eyes. Very easy peasy look. No effort. It's like a no effort celebrity look. I'm gonna apply the same thing on my lower lashes. Inside Cosmetics say I do not have their eyeshadow palette. I think they've launched recently, very recently they have launched their eyeshadow, so I haven't had my hands on that. Since we're doing a very simple look, I'll make this work with this itself. I had their eyeliner and kajal. Somehow I lost it, but I really like the eyeliner that they have, the felt tip liner, but I really don't know about the gel kajal. I haven't used it, but I have a replacement alternative. This is from Iba Must Have. This is really nice. This is the gel kajal from them, and I really like it. And a little bit on the lower lash line, just halfway there. She has also applied kajal, so I'm just gonna apply kajal as well using the same gel liner. So, and I'm quickly going to smudge that out. So this is like Indian signature look for celebrities. I really want कि मतलब जैसे award shows होते हैं या events होते हैं तो celebrities definitely try a different look, but movies वगैरह में mostly यही look होता है. It's very similar. So even Kareena Kapoor, she does like very similar look. So that is one eye. It's so easy, so simple. I haven't used a single eyeshadow here. It is like you can use whatever you have and you can create this look seamlessly. So the best part is, if you do not know how to wear eyeliner, like सीधी line नहीं लगती है, just messily apply it and just smudge it out. The best part of this liner is कि बहुत जल्दी blend होता है. I'm sorry मैंने inside का एक product नहीं use कर पाई. I had no other option, you guys. मेरा गुम गया. I literally had the liner and the other thing, but I forgot it somewhere. I've like kept it somewhere. और इस वीडियो के बाद अगर मुझे मिला ना, I'm just gonna kill myself for being so irresponsible. Now for the mascara, I have this one from Inside. This is their Makeup Essentials. I think ये वाला mascara ना थोड़ा पुराना है. Honestly, this is I think discontinued. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and affordable mascara for you guys. This one is from Mars. This is a beautiful mascara. It just gives such a nice long लैशेस, दिस हैज़ 2 steps, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप। और इसकी पैकेजिंग, क्या सुंदर पैकेजिंग में आता है ये। आई नो आई प्रॉमिस्ड फुल फेस ऑफ इनसाइड्स, बट ठीक है यार, एक आधा प्रोडक्ट में चलता है। आई हैवंट यूज्ड देयर काजल एंड देयर मस्कारा। आई हैड देयर मस्कारा बट आई थिंक ये थोड़ा पुराना हो गया है। आई एम लाइक रियली स्केयर्ड टू। ओके, सो दिस मस्कारा इज़ लाइक बहुत ही सिमिलर है ये रेंज प्राइस में देखा जाए तो, एंड इट्स रियली गुड वन। मतलब जब भी आप स्टार्टिंग में ख़रीदोगे ना ये वाला मस्कारा, यू विल, आई डोंट थिंक यू विल लाइक इट बिकॉज इसका थोड़ा फॉर्मूला थोड़ा वेट है, बट वेट फॉर सम वीक्स, जब इसका फॉर्मूला ड्राई हो जाता है, लाइक अभी थोड़ा ड्राई हुआ है मेरा मस्कारा, it is beautiful. Like it just, Alia Bhatt is not wearing any lashes because of course natural makeup, so mascara has to be good if you're not wearing any lashes. So this is one I'll hide. That is for volume. First step था length के लिए, अभी volume add करेंगे. So you can see this side looks so good. This mascara is awesome, you guys. For the price you get, I will tag all the products below for you guys. Don't forget to check them out. So we are almost done with the makeup. Now is the star of the show, that is the lips, and she's of course wearing nude lips. I have this lip palette, this one, and I'm going to mix a little bit of white in there, brownie shade, and applying it on the lip. But still I'm going to add a little bit of white in the center. I haven't really lined my lips because it's very natural. The look is very natural. It's like you're not wearing any lipstick but you're wearing lipstick. It's gonna be that kind of a look. So yeah, this is pretty much it. इससे ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं करेंगे, otherwise I really like my lipstick to be, you know, dark, intense, payoff, color payoff. But इसको भी I'm just rubbing a little bit so that, and this is the look, you guys. This is the makeup that she must have done using high-end makeup products, but we have done this using affordable Insight Cosmetics products, and one product Mars ka, one product Eba ka, and we did this and it looks so pretty. I'm just buy some earrings and then I'm gonna give some beauty shots, create a before and after reel. I'm actually really hungry. It's 3:35. I finished this video really quickly. I'm proud of myself. I'm really enjoying beauty makeup videos nowadays, so I'm creating those. Alright guys, so this is the final look. A little more messy and wavy hair, and alright guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? And I hope you guys enjoyed. She is not wearing any bindi. I know you guys must be thinking कि बिंदी लगा लेनी चाहिए. मुझे बिंदी personally बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, but Alia Bhatt is not wearing that, so I'm not wearing it. And this is the final look. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video super soon. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really want you guys to subscribe to my channel because it will help my channel to grow, because we're stuck हो गया एक number पे, and I really want my channel to grow. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends and family. I will miss you. Till then, bye.